Nature is pretty natural, isn't it? But what about yourself? What about your voice? Are you connected to your inner nature? Are you connected to your natural voice? One way to connect to your own nature is actually to connect to your natural voice. But how do you do that? There's an easy answer. Overtone singing.